I'm discuss very important topic to reach any kind of business to the location nearby. You get one pop-up message for through Google Maps. How is about your place or any kind of message. This all will be called live chat to the map customers. So we're looking something. So you come into the maps, you can chat with the customer, question and answers. So how is the customer will be chat? There's a total you can give the mobile application. So how to activate that customer interaction? So that is called, the option name is called messaging, but is only valid for mobile users. Which one valid for mobile users? So that you have to compulsory we can do for turn off the messaging button. Turn on the messaging button. They will be activate for the less than 1 hour time, but is only valid for mobile users. Only valid for which one? Mobile users. First go to Google, select your Play Store, go to app, select your option call is Google My Business app. We have to install this application. Where it is installed by the in your mobile. Just I'm installed by the mobile here. So where you can activate messaging button. Go to your option name is customers. Which option? Customers. Here will be option is called messages. Which one? Messages. Select it. Direct give option is called turn on the message button. Before they ask, please turn on the my message button. If you not click that button, we can't chat the customers. We can't chat with the customers. Now click for turn on the message button. So how to chat the customer, I'll show that also. After activate, how to chat the customer also. This will get pop-up message any people nearby your business to attract the audience to give the pop-up options. This thing will be interact with the customers to reply for every questions. I'm clicking for OK here. So you have a message will be here. Hello, how can I help you today? Change your message as you wish. Just click for edit and you change your message. The message line will be writing up to 120 characters. Decide and write your characters. So this will be happen for your messaging button. How to activate? Only for mobile user can activate the particular option. You are the manager or owner, anything, we can access this option. This is compulsory important on the Google My Business users to reach your audience on your Google My Business nearby audience reaching purpose. This is called very important. So how to get the pop-up message? I mean to say some road. Simple technique are using mobile phones. In the one technique is in Google Map. You are reaching for so many places. You are going to so many places. They already capture your places into your mobile phone already. But few will be capture will be pop-up will be given. We will be given the pop-up messages. That is called to turn on the message buttons. To turn on the message button. So where I can check this options. So definitely the question is there. So I'm okay with I'm traveling to some places. So how get the pop-up message? Where I can check. That is called the Google given one option is there in your mobile. That go to your mobile option. In this, just go to your maps. Go to your maps. In your map, nothing but to enable option name is called your contribution. Which one? Your contribution. What are the place you are traveling? Everything is there by your below options. This will be give help by the you are the one kind of guider. Which one? Google guider. They give the 10 levels of guiders. So when you give the reviews to the customers, if you give bad or good reviews, They increase your level on the 1 to 10 levels. They help by the to reach any person, business people, to give the ideas, to give the ideas. So they will help by the your particular local guide. This is option name is called local guide. That is called people give the pop-up message when nearby any business you got the message. The message will activate by which one? Messaging button. How to activate? Go to maps. You go to country box and you can go click for the turn on the messaging button. Just once again repeat here. How do we can go this? Select by the my business application. Which one? Google My Business. We can go to customers. Message option is already activated by this message. Here one question is there. So how do we can chat with the customers? That is called, we have to show the one application will be here. How we can chat the customers. So in this one, I'll show one option here. To the one of the client I'll show here. How we can chat the customers. This all will be chatting with the customers. Previously we got one message here, turn off. Just go to turn off. This compulsory important. If he has a messenger will be turn off, immediately we can go for turn on is compulsory important. So that will be go for your settings, message settings here. Always use this option. If you are turn off that message box, is a compulsory important to people reach for your business. Automatically get the pop-ups. They help by the two things. Get the reviews and give people know about your business. This compulsory activate your Google My Business option. Only valid for mobile users. Only valid for mobile users.